Go ahead. You can have the bird seed. I just came out for a smoke. Yeah. Go ahead. You can go back to eating it. I won't stop you. It's cool. Go ahead. It's right there. Come on. He was eating this. Refilled the bird seed. And he was having breakfast. He eats more of my bird seed than the birds. Don't ya? Yeah. You eat all my bird seed. Who knew squirrels like bird seed? See? We thought you just ate acorns and stuff. Yeah. Go ahead. Go back. Finish your breakfast. What, you don't trust me? That's Luffy. He wants to come out here with us. But I don't think you guys will be friends. Yep. You hear him? He's kind of an ass clown. You know, orange cats and all that. It's true. They're crazy. Yeah. Well, you gonna wait for me to finish my smoke before you go back to breakfast? You're just not gonna chance it while I'm sitting here. Luffy, hush. Trying to make a video with my squirrel friend. Sorry about that. Luffy, you're interrupting my video. Anywho. Oh my God. It's hard to refocus in when you're all close up. Do you hear what I gotta deal with? What? 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 I'm trying to film this squirrel, and you're just in the back.